Hello and welcome to a new video about DDT4ALL on the Renault Kadjar cars. In this video I will show you how to disable the changing gear recommendation that appear on your dashboard. If this is annoying for you and you want to disable, you can do it using DDT4ALL. First of all, select our model and go to the cluster TDB and cluster GFC, double click, écrans configuration and conf prestations EHN, and here we have this driver style indication. In our case it's already deactivated. In your case here will be activated. You simply select deactivated Einstein phase and write command. So the command was sent via the programming interface, and scroll down and reset the software. Your L-Link will software reset, and after the starting of the L-Link you can simply execute a hardware reset by pressing the power button for more than 5 seconds, and after that the entire process is completed. Your changing gear recommendation will disappear from the dashboard. I hope you enjoyed this short video and see you soon. Bye bye.